Go.
Hello, I'm Amanda, and I'm the coach. And sorry I wasn't here today, but I am gonna be here on Saturday. But I guess I'm excited for the new the robot season, and I think we can actually get like a working bucket, initial one working in time. It's just we gotta start, but like I'd say like make sure that on Wednesday, I can't be here on Wednesday, like try to get make sure the robot can move, you can move it comfortably, like drive it around, and we're gonna remove this and this because we can't have we can't have stuff that goes up high like this season. But this right here already, this could be a good starting little bucket system we can use. So just kind of save that and leave this on, because this could probably be something good that like as we would say drive around, and we're gonna push the balls, and they would actually fit into this nook here, and we can use like the little arms here to make sure it kind of stays like it'd probably be like that. We squeeze it and move. But yeah, like with our stuff that we have, like that we already have on hand, try to brainstorm a system like something, because we're gonna have to load a bucket system. And what I'm already thinking is we might have to maneuver some stuff out of the way. Like the easiest thing I'm thinking is maybe something where it's down like here, and it pops the ball in, sort of like a scoop, or maybe using this would be like the thing that grabs the ball, and maybe then it could be like a hand. If this had like a twisting motion, then it could, or we had more grabbing mechanisms, we could twist and grab it and throw it into a bucket. But in the bucket is, we want it to be able to fling to hit the stuff. But brainstorm a little bit that, and then also do what you can do right now, like programming. We're gonna want to, because eventually we want to get like the AI machine vision type stuff working, where it could like scan whatever the ball pattern would be, or or be able to maneuver in the correct spot. Like it would scan, be able to maneuver in the correct spot based on what it sees, like either distance wise. We would need like a sensor for that. And
sure.
I don't know, maybe one of these is a sensor, but say like we would have a sensor here that would determine our distance from where we have to shoot in, and this can actually scan and see where we have to shoot the mechanism in, and that would determine the arc. So yeah, I mean, so like a final, I would say, rundown first, and I think like from less difficult to more difficult. First, make sure it works. Make sure you can drive it around. We need it to move.
Mm-hmm.
Second, then remove these. Save this. I mean, obviously everything's gonna be saved, but yeah, we're gonna want to reuse this and leave this on for now. Like, even though I was like, hey, maybe we could do a flip, just leave it on for now, because we can practice like first pushing the balls with that and see how it goes. And then after like that brainstorm mechanism that will be able to load the balls, and how it would end up flinging it into the target.
Got it.
And then after that, start trying to, based on that vision of like what you think would work, like even if you don't have it set up yet, you know, then go into the programming and be like, okay, we're going to be dealing with machine vision and sensors. So yeah, I think that's about it.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.